involving angles. There are lots of angle problems that we're going to run into. We're going to run into problems involving complementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. So, they might ask you for the complement to a 20-degree angle for an example. The complement of a 20-degree angle would be a 70-degree angle, because that's how much you would add to it to make 90 degrees. Supplementary angles add to 180 degrees. The way I remember these two is that complementary C is alphabetical before S, and 90 is less than 180. So that's how I memorize which is which. Adjacent angles are two angles that share a common vertex and a common side, but no common interior points. What that means about no common interior points means that they're not going to overlap. So I'm just going to draw a quick little sketch. So they have this common endpoint, and they share a side. So this side here in the middle, and if I call this like angle 1 and angle 2, they have the common side in between them and the common endpoint here. They're adjacent angles. A linear pair is a set of two adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. So what they mean by that is together you have a pair of adjacent angles that make a straight line. So here they have this common endpoint right there. Their non-common sides means this side and this side form a pair of opposite rays. And then this side they have in common is this one here. Together they make a linear pair. A vertical angles has to be a pair. It's two angles whose sides form two pairs of opposite rays. So here we have one pair of opposite rays. If you have two pairs of opposite rays, essentially what you have is two lines that are crossing. So here and here. Oops. Get my line tool back. There we go. So we've got two lines. It does not like me right now. That are intersecting. It creates two pairs of opposite rays. Oh no. Please work. But the main thing about vertical angles is that vertical angles are going to be congruent all the time, and you're going to use that to solve many problems as we're working through this section of notes.